This next trick is one that you may know about, and this is a feature for the Mac called Stacks. And what Stacks does is it creates these automatic folders for you that it sorts your files in based on the file type. So for example, there is a file here or a folder here called Documents. There's one called Images, PDFs, Music, Movies, Presentations, Spreadsheets, and other or developer files, and even screenshots. These are created for me automatically. So I am a save to the desktop guy. I like to save to my desktop a lot. And when I have time, I like to go back and clean up my desktop and put things in folders and organize things and archive them for later. But I'm also busy and I don't have time to do that all the time. And finally, I'm also a little OCD. And so if I don't have a neat, tidy desktop, that can frustrate me. So I'm going to show you something that is going to hurt if you are one of those people that likes things to be nice and neat and clean. So I have Stacks turned on, which puts all of these things in nice, neat rows. So I can go to Images, and here's my images, and I can go to Movies, and here's my movies, and expands, and it shows me those things. Again, nice, neat, organized. If I right-click any empty space in my desktop, you can see I have Use Stacks turned on. And what that means is, again, it has Stacks enabled, which creates these little simple stacks based on the file type. I'm going to turn it off. And here's what happens, or what my desktop would look like if I didn't have Stacks turned on. That's painful. Again, crazy, lots of different stuff. Trying to find what I need can be a pain. So again, remove the stress. Make yourself feel a lot more organized than you are by right-clicking, telling it to use Stacks, and then it automatically makes these nice little folders where everything is nice and neat and organized, and I can still get to them without having to go through and navigate to them. And it automatically does it. So if I take a new screenshot, I'll do a Command-Shift-4 and screenshot this. It will take that screenshot, and if I give it a few seconds, it's going to automatically put that screenshot in my screenshot folder for me and keeps me more organized than I really am.